Okay, the question reads, which of the following number sequences could be produced by the expression 2x plus x squared? So a sequence, the definition of course is just that it is a list of numbers separated by commas. This expression 2x plus x squared is a variable expression, so this is sort of equivalent to the more standard notation we would use for this is n for the variable instead of x, but they've chosen x. So this notation is more how I would view it, and so what's happening is they're asking us to find out which of these sequences could be produced by substituting in integer values for n. So notice that if I start with the first term, a sub 1, 2 times 1 plus 1 squared, so this is just like function notation, I do get 3. If I substitute 2 in, 2 times 2 plus 2 squared, 4 plus 4 is 8. A sub 3 is 2 times 3 plus 3 squared, so 6 plus 9 is 15. And finally, a sub 4 is 2 times 4 plus 4 squared, so 8 plus 16 is 24. And so we see that we get the first sequence. You probably wouldn't have had to do all these terms in order to choose this. And let's also just point out a couple other things about these other sequences. The second sequence, actually the next two sequences are what are called arithmetic sequences, and that's because their common difference is constant. So notice to get from the first term to the next, I increase by 2, increase by 2, increase by 2. So that's a constant increase. Likewise over here, this one is a constant difference of subtract 2, subtract 2, subtract 2, or add a negative 2. So these are both arithmetic sequences, and they follow the shape of a line. If you were to graph them, they're linear. This is something that is quadratic, so you really could clearly just eliminate these choices right away. And this last one's pattern is sort of hard to even know what's happening. Here, this first one, you're increasing by 5, then you're increasing by 7, and then increasing by 7 again. So I'm not even sure what this next term would be. So A is our clear choice.